Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. So why we are today here is day by day we are going to learn many more things in the class. Okay? As you all know, you are all in LKG, right? In LKG, you are going to learn the language that is English, Kannada, English, that alphabets, even in Kannada also, the Kannada alphabets, and apart from that, you are going to learn about EVS. EVS in the sense environmental science. That is, science means what we have around us. Okay? For example, river, lake, mountain. Okay? So, and also sun, star, sky. Okay? And including that, you are going to learn GK, means general knowledge about the food, what we eat, and about the season, and about the games, that is indoor game, outdoor game, the games what we play outside the door, it is called outdoor game, and the play things what we play inside the room or at your house, it is called what? It is called, yes, indoor game. So this subject is GK. Okay, that is nothing but general knowledge. And then the GK, the topic is, today's topic is shapes and colors. What is the topic today? Shapes and colors. Okay, I hope you all having this book, this red color book. Do you have this book with you, all of you? Yes. This book is called Picture Gallery. What book is this? This is Picture Gallery. It includes, that's what I told you before, the EVS, environmental science, and few things about general knowledge. Okay, like the content here only, it shows the shapes and colors, my family, my home, classroom, articles and stationaries, action words, games, like this it goes on. Okay, the first topic, the first lesson today we are going to learn is, this is page number 3, that is shapes and colors. Okay, fine. What all the shapes you can see here? I'll teach you what are the shapes are here and what does the shape is called. Okay, see. First one, see here. What is this? Do you know anyone? Do you have any idea which shape is this? Can you guess any one shape in this? In these, we have many shapes, right? Forget about this. This is colors. We will come to know about colors later. But first, we will learn about shapes. Is anything, whatever it may be, is it only in the one shape? That is rectangle, triangle, circle, oval, like that? No, a particular thing, whatever the thing may be, it has its their own shape. Okay, for example, sun. You have seen the sun, I think. Sun is in one particular shape. And what the thing you eat? Chapati. Chapati is in one shape. Okay, and the thing what you eat? Samosa. Samosa, is it circle in color? Sorry, circle in shape? No, yes, it has its own particular shapes. So, in this topic, we are going to learn about topics. Which topic it is? Yes, we are going to learn about these shapes. Okay. Basically, you can learn, or basically only 4 to 5 shapes that you can learn now, and later in the coming classes and all, you will know more and more about shape. But here I have written 12 shapes. Okay, 12 shapes name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 shapes have written here. Only the spellings I have written. Later, one by one, I'll let you know. I'll teach you how to draw the particular shape and what that particular shape is called. Okay, see, keep your finger here. First one is cylinder. Repeat after me. Cylinder, pyramid, square, circle, cone, rectangle, star, cuboid, cube, triangle, oval, and at the last what we have? We have sphere. Okay, shall we say once again? Keep your finger on the shapes, particular shape where I used to see. This is cylinder, pyramid, square, circle, cone, rectangle, star, cuboid. Learn to pronounce it properly, okay? Cuboid, cube, triangle, oval, sphere. Okay? Come again. Cylinder, pyramid, square, circle, cone, rectangle, star, cuboid, cube, triangle, oval, and at the last we have sphere. Okay, now we will identify which shape is that. Okay, first one. What I have written here? I have written Cylinder. Okay, Cylinder. That is what? Cylinder. Do you heard the word cylinder? Where have you heard that word cylinder? Yes, in the kitchen. Isn't it? The word cylinder you have heard in the kitchen. Okay, so how can we write the cylinder? I'll write the picture and I'll give one each example for that particular shape. Okay, what is this first one is? Cylinder. So how to write cylinder? Look at properly. How to write cylinder? First one is cylinder. This is the first shape. Look at here. Is it okay? What this shape is called? This is cylinder. Okay, how to write this? One line here and one more line here and you join this. What this shape is called? Cylinder. Is everything surround us is this in cylinder color? Is it in cylinder color? No, it has its own shape. Okay. So first one we'll have learned this is cylinder. But first by seeing the picture itself, you have to identify which shape is that. Okay. Yes. If I ask which shape is that, suddenly you have to identify the picture that what its name. Okay. What is this first one is? Cylinder. Fine. The next one, this is you have learned cylinder. So what is this? What is this? Yeah, second one here. Can you see here? This is pyramid. Okay, this is pyramid. How to write that? Fine. This is pyramid. Okay. What is this? This is pyramid. So this cylinder shape you have seen in the kitchen, right? This is cylinder and this is pyramid. Okay. You have to identify the pictures. This is cylinder and this is pyramid. Is it okay? Then we will go to next one. This is square. What is this called? Third one, this is square. So how to write square? It's very easy. See, one standing line, one sleeping line, again one standing line and one sleeping line. Four sides. One standing line, sleeping line, standing line and again standing line. Sorry, sleeping line. Fine. So this is square. First one is cylinder. Second one is pyramid. The third one is square. What we have at next? What we have at next? We have circle. Next we have circle. Do you know how to draw circle? Do you know how to draw circle? Yes. The circle should be written like this. Okay. This is circle. Okay. First one is cylinder, pyramid, square, and this is circle. Okay. So, what is this? The fifth one here. See, can you see this? Can you see this in your book? Page number 3. This is cone. Spell it C-O-N-E, cone. What is this? Cone. S. How to write that cone? Is it fine? Yes. This shape is called cone. Okay. Cylinder, pyramid, square, circle, and this is cone. I'll give you each one example for the each shape. First we will know what all these shapes are called. Okay. Then next, what is this? What is the sixth one? That is oval. How to write oval? Yes. Okay. This is oval. Pyramid. Sorry. Cylinder. Pyramid. Square. Circle. Cone. And here we have oval. Say once again. Cylinder. Pyramid. Square, circle, cone, and oval. Is it all the 6 shapes are clear? Can you identify now? Shall we say once again? Yes, this shape is cylinder. And the next one is, this shape is called, what is this? Pyramid. This is square, circle, cone, and oval. Okay, next we will come to this side. Here also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6 shapes we have. Okay, so what is the seventh one? What is the seventh one? This is star. Okay, how to write star? I'll show you. Okay, what shape is this? What shape is this? Yes, this is star. Where can we see stars? Yes, we can see the stars in the sky. It will be twinkling. When it will twinkle, is it day or night? Yes, during night, many stars you can see in the sky. It will be twinkling like this. Okay, can you count the stars in the sky? No, because we have many stars. We can't even count that. Okay, what is this? This is star. What is this? This is star. And what's the next shape we have? We have rectangle. Okay, how to write rectangle? See, look it properly. Can you see all of you? Okay, yes, this is rectangle. Say once, this is star and this is rectangle. Okay, can you see rectangle in your book? It's in which color? Pink color. Yes, this is rectangle and this is star. And what next we have? We have cuboid. Come again. This is cuboid. So how to write cuboid? Is it fine? Yes, this is cuboid. What shape is this? This is cuboid. And here, next, we have cube. What is this? We have cube. How to write cube? How to write cube? One square here and one more square here. Okay, and we will join these two squares. Okay, what is this? This is cube. Fine. Then next, what's shape we have? Yes, we have triangle. Okay, next we have triangle. Can you see this triangle in your book? Look at here. Can you see triangle here? Yes. So, how to write the triangle? One line like this, sleeping line, and one left slanting line, and one right slanting line. Okay? This is triangle. Fine. This is star, rectangle, cuboid, cube, and this is triangle. Fine? Yes. At last, which shape we have? We have sphere. Can you see here? Can you see this picture? White one. So this is called sphere. How to write sphere? Fine. So this is called sphere. Yes. Take out your book now. See, this is cylinder. Is there any difference between these two pictures? What is in the book and what I have written on the board? Yes. This is cylinder. And the next one here, this is pyramid. Okay, is it clear? This is pyramid. These two shapes are same. Can you look at it, can you observe it carefully? See, look at here. This is pyramid. And next we have square, which is in purple color in the book that I have written here. Okay, so this shape is called square. And what next we have? We have circle. Okay, what this shape is called? This is circle. And next we have cone. Okay, next we have cone. And here, next we have, what we have here? So here we have star. If I ask you one by one to identify the picture, you have to keep your finger on the particular picture and you have to identify. Fine? Okay. This is star. And what next we have? We have rectangle. This shape is called, yes, this is rectangle. And what next we have? We have cuboid. Say once again, this is cuboid. And this is cube. Okay? And this is triangle. And the last one is sphere. Okay? Now you have learned what all the shapes we have. Now I'll give each example for these shapes. Okay? We can see lot of things around us. Is it in only one shape? Is it in only in circle? Or is it in only cylinder? Is it in only in pyramid? Or all the shapes we have, is it in triangle or sphere? No. Each particular thing has its own shape. First we will go to cylinder. Fine. Can you anyone give example for cylinder? Cylinder? Yes, the water bottle, what you drink, no? water bottle where you fill the water. That bottle, it's in what? Which shape it is in? It is in cylinder. Okay, it is in cylinder. Then the next one, pyramid. Have you seen mountains? Have you anyone seen mountains? Yes, that is pyramid. Okay, then next, what we have? Square. Can you anyone give an example for square? Square? Yes, the notebook, what you write now, that is in which shape? Notebook, it's in square. Fine? Okay. Then next, circle. It's easy, no? Which, can you give one example for shape circle? Circle? Yes. What is that? Correct. That is sun. Fine. Sun is in circle. Where can we see sun? Yes. Very good. Sun is in circle shape. What we have next? We have cone. I know what you are remembering. I know. Yes, cone. That is ice cream cone what we eat, no? And the samosa. Yes, samosa also it's in cone shape, isn't it? And even ice cream cones. Okay. Then next, oval. Which shape is oval? Which thing is in oval shape? Yes, what we eat, egg, no? That egg is in which shape? Yes, oval shape. Then star. As I told you before, star. What we see in the sky, that is star. Okay. And next, and you have seen some starfish also. What we can see in the sky, no, deep under the sky, you can see that fish also. Okay, starfish. You might have heard the word, I think. And then next, rectangle. What is rectangle? Yes, the mobile. What you are seeing, no, that is in rectangle shape. Mobile is in which shape? That is in rectangle shape. Okay. Then next, cuboid. Can you anyone give any one example for cuboid? Yes. Have you seen brick? Brick in red color. While constructing the houses or rooms, anything, no, there will use brick. So that brick is in cuboid shape. Fine. Then next coming to cube. Cube, you know, have you played that cube? It will be in color, different colors. You will have yellow, green, white. Cube, have you seen that playing things? Yes, that is a cube. Fine. Then next, triangle. Can you anyone give example for triangle? Yes, yes, this is triangle. Fine, you have learned these shapes and with each and for the each shape you have given examples also. And last what we have? We have sphere. Can you give any one example for the sphere shape? Can you anyone give? Yes, volleyball. Have you played? Have you seen volleyball? Football? Yeah, that is in sphere shape. Fine? Is it okay? Yes, once again we will look into the shapes and you have to identify the shapes. Cylinder, pyramid, square, circle, cone, oval, star, rectangle, cuboid. This is cuboid. Cube, triangle, and this is last sphere. Fine. Cylinder, pyramid, square, circle, cone, oval, star, rectangle, cuboid, cube, triangle, and this is sphere. So now what we will do is, see, I'll show you some shapes. Okay, see, I have many shapes with me. I'll show you one by one. What you have to do is, you have to identify the shapes. Okay, see, look at here all of you. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Yes. Now tell me, which shape is this? Which shape is this? Yes, this is rectangle. Where we have rectangle shape on the blackboard? Is this rectangle? Is this rectangle? No. Then where is the rectangle? Yes. See? Can you see rectangle here? Can you see rectangle? Yes. This is rectangle. This particular shape is called rectangle. Fine. Here I have one more shape. Can you identify anyone? Which shape is this? Can you identify? You look at here. I have taught you right just now, no? So you look into these pictures and identify which shape is this. Is this triangle here? What I have written? Is this sphere? Yes, this is square. Look at there. Where is the square? Where is the shape square? Yes. Can you see here? Can you see? Yes, this is square and it's in blue color. Fine? Okay. Can you see? Can you identify this shape? Which shape is this? Yes, see, this is oval. See, this is oval. Fine? And here, which shape is this? Which shape is this? Just look into here. Yes, this is circle. Where we have circle? Is it here in this? No. Here, is it here? Yes, this is circle. Can you see here? Can you see this? Yes, this is circle. Fine. Like this, you should keep on identifying the pictures. This is circle and this is oval and here square and here I have rectangle. Okay. If I show you the particular like shape, you have to identify the shapes what I have shown you. Fine. Is it clear? Shall we say once again? Yes. This is cylinder, pyramid, square, circle, cone, oval, star, rectangle, cuboid, cube, triangle and here we have sphere. So, you have learned about the shape. Is it? You have learnt about what? You have learnt 12 different types of shapes you have learnt. And in the textbook, what we have next is, we have after these shapes, we have colors. Do you like colors? Do you like colors? Can you anyone identify the colors here? Yes, you will be well known with the colors. Okay. This is brown, yellow, red, blue, white, green and black. Apart from these, we have many more colors also. Okay. But I am showing only the basic colors to you. First you learn this basic color. So open your book page number 3 and look into the colors what they have given here. Fine. Okay. First we have brown, yellow, red, blue, white, green, black. Fine. You are very familiar with these colors, I think, so that you will come to know what all the colors are. Okay. You are very familiar. Okay. So this is once again I will repeat brown, yellow, red, blue, white, green and this is black. Fine. Brown, yellow, red, blue, white, green and black. Fine. So what now I'll do is I'll show you some pictures. Fine. I'll show you some pictures, some colors. You have to identify which color is that. Can you identify this color, anyone? Is this black? Is this green? No? Yes, then which color is this? Yes, this is white. Which color is this? This is white. And next we have, which color is this? Yes, this is brown. Which color is this? This is brown. And here we have one more color. Is it your favorite color? Is anyone wearing this color dress today? Yes, this is which color? Yes, this is pink. Can you see this? Yes, this is pink. And here we have, which shape is this? Sorry, which color is this? Which color is this? Yes, this is orange. Okay, this is orange. And next what we have? What we have next? Yes, this is blue. Right? This is blue. And this is, which color is this? Which color is this? Yes, this is purple. As I told you before, you have many lots of colors. Okay. Day by day, you will come to know what colors are these. Okay. First, you learn some basic colors. Okay. So, what I told, this is purple. And this is your favorite, I think. Which color is this? Yes, this is red. Can you see this? This is red. And here we got one more. Which color? Which color? You told you before. You have identified this picture before, isn't it? This is white. These two are in white colors. Is there any difference between these two colors? No, these two are white. Okay, will you say once again? Can you identify? This is white, pink, orange, blue, purple, red, brown. Fine. Will you agree? Yes. Which color is this? Brown, white, pink, orange, blue, purple, red, and this is brown. Is it okay? See, this is about shapes and this is about colors. Fine? See, if you have this crayons with you, you take out this. Here and here also we have so many colors in this. Okay, can you see here? Can you see here? Yes, this is yellow. And this is peach. Which color is this? Peach. And here we have red. See here? This is red. And this is, I think it is easy to identify you. This is very familiar color, right? This is blue. This is red. Can you identify anyone? Anyone? Green. And here, this is purple. And we have here brown. Okay. And here we have, which color is this? Yes, this is black. These colors are used while drawing or coloring. Okay. When I say to take the particular color and to color it, so that if I say the colors, it will be very easy for you to select the colors. If you have learned the colors, no, what I have taught you today. So these all the colors we have in this crayon. Okay, is it clear? What have you learned today? Today in this class we have learned about the shapes and about the, what is this? And about the colors. Cylinder, pyramid, square, circle, cone, oval, star, rectangle, cuboid, cube, triangle, sphere. Okay? Cylinder, pyramid, square, circle, cone, oval. This is star, rectangle, cuboid, cube, triangle, and last we have sphere. And here also we have lot more colors. Fine. If it is very easy, these shapes and these colors. Did you enjoy the class today? Did you enjoy the class or are you getting bored? Are you getting bored? No? Okay. So what you have to do is you have to take this for practice. You have to take this picture gallery book and try to identify these shapes and colors so that you will come to know. If I ask you to identify the picture, you can easily say which shape is that. Don't get confused with the shape. It has its own shape. Is this all similar? Is it all similar? No, it has a different shape. Like this is, you look into it, you observe it properly, you will come to know the difference between the each shape. Okay, even in the colors also. Each color, particular color is different. Fine? Okay. In this picture gallery, today we have learned about shapes and colors. In the coming days, we will learn more things. Did you enjoy the class? Yes. Bye. Take care.